So if you're traveling along the Kootenay Highway from Radium Hot Springs up towards Banff, or even the other way, which we're going the other way, you'll come across a little roadside attraction called Numa Falls. I've been here before, and it's a pretty nice stop. It gets busy in the summer, so I'd recommend an early morning trip, because this parking lot is packed. So yeah, it's not far from where we've just been, from Marble Canyon, so you can do Marble Canyon, Numa Falls pretty easily. I don't think there'll be much of the falls running today because of the ice and so on, but we'll go down and have a look. So this is an interesting find. We have a Tucson, windows all smashed out, wheels still on it, it's got tape all over it. That's kind of sad.
Radio's been smashed.
Wow, probably been stolen, yeah. That's crazy, eh? Still got the nice wheels, and the tyres, got winter tyres on it too. What a shame. I don't think this is very old. And I don't think it's been in an accident, I think it's been stolen. Stolen and probably dumped here. All the backs in there. Wow. That's crazy. Lights have been... Now the snow is turning into packing snow. We could build a snowman. And there we have the river. So here we get to the viewing platform.
The bridge.
Yeah, the bridge. The viewing platform and the bridge. It's combined. It was an ingenious design. Oh, we still got some water flowing through.
We're about a foot above this bridge.
Yeah, and there's the canyon where where the water flows through. Look how clear that water is. That's cool.
Falls are frozen.
And yeah, the falls are frozen. We can just see the water coming through. You can down there. And there we have. And the trail goes off, so there must be a hiking trail that goes down the side of the river. So that was Numa Falls. Just a quick stop before we head on further down. Hope you enjoyed that. I feel like a tour guide. Not a very good one though. But hey, you never know. Could change professions. Wouldn't mind being a tour guide. But hey, we got the parky up there. I wonder what he's doing. Let's go have a look. And there he is. I don't know what he's doing. That's a real shame, that truck, eh? I mean, this car. That is a shame, because that's pretty new, or was pretty new. I wonder if we're going to get a ticket now off the parky. Be a wonderful job being a park ranger here, driving around all day clearing the snow from the washrooms in the winter, going out rescuing people in the summer. Be pretty neat. Oh, he's leaving. He doesn't want to wait for us now. Is he going to tow us away? Parks Canada. Oh, well, we're almost back at the car now. So we'll be off to the next stop now and see what's going on down there.